Pork meat is very delicious and it can be cooked in different ways. For example, today I want to show you my way of cooking pork. So here I have pieces of pork, and I have already washed. I like washing it in hot water, that's why you can see it looking like that. I don't want to leave any doubts when I'm eating pork that the pork is not pure. So I wash with hot water, I boil it, and the rest I'll show you. So already we have washed our pork with hot water. So next we put our pork in water and allow it to boil. We are going to boil it for about 10 minutes. Then we move to the next step. So because I like chili, I'm boiling my pork using chili. I'm boiling my pork using chili. So let's give it time to boil. So our pork is boiling perfectly. Give it time to boil thoroughly. Now we are boiling with our chili. It is good to follow these steps so that you are sure you are not eating pork which is not well dewormed. Remember, pork eats from the rubbish, so make sure you do the right way. Boil it thoroughly. That's what we are doing. So after boiling, we leave it to dry. Then now from there you put an oil. So I'm not going to put on a different oil. I'm going to have the oil on the pork and let the pork cook with the oil until it becomes brown and very nice and tough. So let's do this. At this point you can remove the chili. You don't need it. There is already the flavors of the fish. You can still use it. So let me just remove the fish. You must make sure you cook now until it is golden brown. Let it cook well, fry well in the oil. Guys, look at that. So nice. Our pork chops and green vegetables cooked together. So nice. You can see the pork, you can see the carrot, the tomato, and the vegetables. So nice and so delicious, guys. So nice. Try this method, guys, and you love pork forever. So nice, guys. Very tempting. Delicacy. So guys, let me enjoy my meal. Until next time, adios amigo. You can serve it with ugali, you can serve it with rice, you can serve it with mokimo. You know, these fine days, guys, I'll cook for you mokimo. So nice. So nice. So bye guys, allow me to enjoy my meal. Bye bye, love you all, adios amigos, bye bye.